What are the benefits of neutering male cats? Cat castration advice. Castration is the specific term to describe neutering of a male animal. Cat castration is a relatively simple procedure that removes the testicles. Neutering male cats has a number of advantages. It reduces the risk of prostatic disease in later life. It can help to control hormone diseases, such as tumors. It negates the risk of unwanted pregnancy, if living in a multi-sex multi-pet household. And it can often help control dominance behaviors. What are the disadvantages to cat castration? Many of the so-called disadvantages of cat castration are unfounded. There are risks associated with surgery and anesthetic. However, it is worth noting that while all surgery comes with a degree of risk, this is a routine procedure, and there are considerably more advantages than disadvantages to neutering male cats. Castrated cats may put on a little weight, as their metabolic needs may become slightly reduced. A small change in the amount of food needed is a simple fix. Neutered male cats do not become characterless, dull, or unintelligent after castration. To book an appointment, find your nearest clinic for immediate treatment. Sexual behavior usually develops during maturity, and so neutering before this offers the most benefit from that perspective, but it is never too late. Although some of the advantages from early castration are no longer applicable, there are still many benefits to neutering male cats later in life. Is there any alternative to surgical castration? Chemical castration, involving the use of oral or injectable drugs, is available, but does not have the permanent effects that follow surgical castration. The use of such drugs is often accompanied by side effects, and so should be discussed with your vet. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section below.